Tonight I leave familiar for the great unknown. Got a couple broken arrows and my hair is grown since you saw me last, talking on an old flip phone. Today I shed the skin of who I used to be. Got Sinatra on a 45, I'm buzzing like a bee. Just hoping you'll come fly with me. I took a Greyhound down to Georgia, then a rental up to Maine. But how I hope for California in the spring. Tonight I leave the only home I've ever known. Got a couple $100 that I'm gonna blow on a used guitar, a Fender or an Epiphone. What doesn't kill me makes me want to think of what the future will bring. But how I hope for California in the spring. Open road now, gonna find a place where my heart hits the ground. City light shine, and it gives me a rush of adrenaline every time. I'm on my way, gonna catch that plane, trying not to get lost in the Everglades. In the start of a dream, it's a storm we decide to chase. Go find the chase. I took a bus back down to Nashville, in Carolina in my mind. But I hope for California